Morning everyone, Richard from MSA here. Well, in previous videos we've talked a little bit about the new drawer system and cargo barrier for the 300 series. I thought I'd take a little bit more time right now to show you through exactly what this is and what we've done to this. So not only have we released the drawers for the 300 series, we've also released the cargo barrier. And for the first time ever, we've released the under drawer trays. So here at the Brisbane 4x4 show, we've stripped back the drawer system so you can see exactly how we use these and how you could potentially use them in your 300 series. So on the driver's side, I can show you what we've done here. So we've got an Airbag Man air tank along with two Airbag Man compressors and our Red Arc BC to DC charger. Over here on the passenger side, we have two 60 amp hour lithium batteries that are laying down, providing all the auxiliary power we will ever need. The whole rear product suite for the 300 series is on display here at the Brisbane 4x4 show. If you can't make it down to the show, make sure you get onto MSA4x4.com.au for more information.